effect. So, 10 balance. Put the weighing boat in, tear, so it goes to 0. I want to measure out 1.596 grams. A little bit over, so I'm going to take a tiny bit out. There we go. Right, you place it in the beaker. You've got little crystals in there, you need to wash them down with distilled water. Get all the crystals into the beaker. I'm going to make 100 centimetres cubed. So this is a 100 centimetre cubed volumetric flask. So I'm just going to add 50 of water because I know that's going to fit in the flask, no problem. Dissolve that up. Using a glass rod. If it wasn't dissolving easily, you could heat up here. Could you heat up your solvent? Then, using a funnel, you pour in the solution. Now I've still got crystals possibly on the glass rod, so I rinse the glass rod and put it into the washings into the volumetric flask. I then rinse the beaker. Try and get all the crystals out. Ideally they would have all been dissolved. Okay, so I think everything's out of there. I then rinse the funnel. Take that out. And then just add a little bit more. Put the lid on. Invert it. Give it a good shake. Add more water. Now there's a fine line here, a bit like you saw on the pipette. Okay, that's the meniscus. Right, what I'm going to aim to do is get the liquid into the skinny part of the volumetric flask. Then I'm going to take the lid off the water bottle and go to one of these plastic pipettes, because I've got a little bit more control with this. And then you get down to eye level and you're adding until the meniscus hits the bottom of that line. I can't get the water up the pipette. If I go over the line, unfortunately I'd have to start all over again. So you get down to eye level, and that's way below, so we just add drop wise now. go, the bottom of the meniscus is on the line. Your lid's on, one last shake, and there's your standard solution. Okay? Right. Finish your filming.